Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? Square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 5. Square root of ab is equal to 5. Solution. Square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 5. Let's call this equation 1. Then square root of ab is equal to 5. Let's call this equation 2. From equation 1, square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 5. Now let's square both sides of this equation. We have square root of a plus square root of b all square is equal to 5 square. Then this can be written as square root of a square plus square root of b square plus 2 square root of a square root of b is equal to 5 square, that is 25. Then this we cancel this we cancel this. A plus b plus 2, the whole of this is square root of ab is equal to 25. But from equation 2 here, square root of ab is equal to 5. Then this can be written as a plus b plus 2 bracket 5 is equal to 25. We have a plus b plus 10 is equal to 25. Then a plus b is equal to, if you take this to this side, become minus, then 25 minus 10, this is 15. Let's call this equation 3. Now from equation 2, that is square root of ab is equal to 5. Now let's square both sides again. Square root of ab all square is equal to 5 square. This will cancel this. ab is equal to 25. Let's divide both sides by b. This divided by b. This divided by b. This will cancel this. A is equal to 25 over b. Let's call this equation 4. Now let us substitute this equation 4 into this equation 3. Put equation 4 into 3. Then this become equation 3 is a plus b is equal to 15. Then we know equation 4. We can now substitute for a. We have 25 over b plus b is equal to 15. Let's multiply all through by b. So this is 25 plus b square is equal to 15b. Now we have b square minus 15b plus 25 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. B is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 15, c is equal to 25. Then this can be written as b is equal to minus bracket minus 15 plus or minus square root of minus 15 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 25, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then b is equal to 15 plus or minus square root of, this is 225 minus 100 over 2. b is equal to 15 plus or minus 225 minus 100. This is square root of 125 divided by 2, and b is equal to 15 plus or minus, this can be written as square root of 25 multiplied by 5, and everything divided by 2. Now b is equal to 15 plus or minus square root of 25, that is 5 root 5, everything divided by 2. Then b is equal to 15 divided by 2 plus or minus 5 root 5 divided by 2. This is the value of b. We've gotten the value of b. Let's solve for a. To solve for a, from equation 3, a plus b is equal to 15. Then when b is equal to 15 plus or minus 5 root 5 over 2, then a1 is equal to 15 minus b1. Now a1 is equal to 15 minus b1 is 15 plus 5 root 5 over 2. a1 is equal to 30 minus 15 minus 5 root 5, everything over 2. a1 is equal to 30 minus 15, this is 15, minus 5 root 5 over 2. This is the value of a1. Also a2. a2 is equal to 15 minus b2. Then a2 is equal to 15 minus 15 minus 5 root 5 over 2. Then a2 is equal to 30 minus 15 plus 5 root 5 over 2. a2 is equal to 15 plus 5 root 5 over 2. This is the value of a2. Therefore, our final answer are a1, b1 is equal to 15 minus 5 root 5 over 2, 15 plus 5 root 5 over 2. Then a2, b2 is equal to 15 plus 5 root 5 over 2, comma, 15 minus 5 root 5 over 2. These are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.